Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today video is about um, alignment properties. When we create alignment, how we can control station design criteria like. So we will talk about this. So first of all, I create a polyline, and from the alignment creation tool, I will create alignment from object select and click on this. If you want to reverse the direction on that and then give any name to this, these things we already have discussed in the previous videos. And from here you can increase the size of text. Okay, so for the alignment properties, click on the alignment. From here you can also select alignment properties or right click on the alignment, and from here alignment property select. In the information tab you can give a road name to your alignment. Any alignment you can change, you can write name here. From the object style you can change your alignment style. So if I want to change to basic, click here and your alignment style will change. If you like to extend, change here and the alignment style will change. For the layout you can see now your alignment style will change. What style you like, you can change from here the alignment style. From here the type of the line, center line, what type of, don't need to change many times this one, only this one. Sometime we need, so we change from here. The next station control, from here you can control your stations. Suppose my alignment did not start from 00 or like anything. I will give this example now. From here the station control, it will show you the actual length of your alignment. 489.310 meter is the length of this alignment. So if you want to change the 00 station or any station between, the remaining will change according to this, because all the stations are reference to each other. So suppose I will change, suppose my 60 station is 100, so I will write here 100. I will click on the arrow and click OK. Go to 60 and select here. So as I mentioned before, this 60 station is my 100. When I click apply, it's changed to 100, and with this reference all the station after and before has changed. So like this, now you can see before it was 00, so now it's 40 station because I changed the 60 to 100. Like this you can change your station, and from here station equation you can control your station. Suppose from here my forward station, or I will click here, and I will say from here up to this station is 120, and station head I will write from here it must be start 150. And when I click apply OK, you can now see this station to here is 120 and forward it is 150. It's X like from here forward 150 and from to here is X like 120. So you can this is station equation. You can control your station like this from your alignment. Okay, the next thing, you can also delete from here if you want. The next thing, masking. You can hide some portion of your alignment if you want. Click here Suppose I want to hide this from this to 60 to 80. Click here the two station. Okay, when I will select the first one and the second one, and here I can when you click apply OK, this will hide. You can elect to start when you click on this version, the station before. From the start it will disappear like this. You can uh, hide or the station before, or you put mask on your alignment, and after if you don't need, delete this and this will appear again. Okay, these two I did not use. Same as like I'm using by default what is here, what is there. I did not use that. The last one, from here you can assign design speed to your road. First click on this check box, and now you can see Civil 3D have a different kind of design speed criteria. Already it's mentioned here. You can see from the name, design standard what you will following. Suppose we are following is 2004, so I will click here. From here you can change your super elevation value on 6%, or mostly we are using 6% super elevation. So I will select this by your road. What's your road, like 2 lane or one single lane. And this check sign, use design check set like this. It will show you if there is some problem according to your design speed. The symbol like this will appear in your alignment. And from here now this design speed is 100, so you can change manually to 120, like what design speed you need, and you can add more station like from 100 to this 120, and after 500 you can add one more and you can change design speed. When I click apply OK, this design speed is now criteria for this alignment is added to this alignment. Now you can see the warning sign shows the radius of the curve is not as per the required standard of the curve. Suppose your speed is 120, so you will need a standard curve radius. If you increase decrease, it will show you the. So how you can adjust, or you can there is a standard radius dimension for the curve radius from MOT. Here we are following that, so you must follow that radius. You can change the radius by going to alignment edit geometry. From here now you can see it's showing warning sign. So yesterday I told you that when you it's also it's free, but it's showing the warning message. Sometimes the problem solved when you change from fixed to pre. But now you must change the radius of the circle up to where it the problem solved. So now this is just practicing. I'm just practicing, so that's why but I'm showing you why this warning sign will come, because your curve radius is not according to the standard radius for this design speed. You must reduce the design speed 120, or you must increase the radius of the curve. So this was the today class about the alignment property. Thank you.